for the dishwasher, so I will wash them by hand and then rest them by my sink. And one thing that you can use to rest any large dish by the sink is this super absorbent microfiber cushy drying mat from Temp-tations. Now you get two sizes. A large one is 24 inches by 18 inches. Then you get a medium size one, which is 18 inches by 16 inches. And they're machine washable, tumble dry, super absorbent, and nice and thick and cushy. Here to tell us all about it, look right over here, is Tesher, live in our studio. How are you, my darling?
I am wonderful, and I have to tell you, drying mats are a necessary evil in every kitchen, right? Exactly what you were saying. I also would put everything in the dishwasher, but I created these for a lot of different reasons. First and foremost, of course, when you have your crystal, you have all of your fine china, you're not going to be putting that in the dishwasher. You have to hand wash that. Give yourself an opportunity to put it on something super absorbent that has that beautiful cushion bound here beautifully that makes it easy and absorbent of anything that you're putting on here. I scored them, David, so that they fold easily and you can slide them right inside your drawer so they don't have to be left out, but you can leave them out. We have great colors, we have great patterns, and a fun way, again, to... you see the scoring?
I didn't notice the scoring before.
Right. It's brilliant so that you can go ahead and tuck it right in the drawer and not have to leave it out. I also leave mine right under the sink, and when I'm washing everything, I'm good to go. Great colors, great patterns.
And
right.
the large one is scored twice, so you can kind of fold it together
It's
like
a little trifold.
Really beautiful. Hey, that yellow you're holding is almost gone.
Oh.
How many are gone?
I love the yellow.
I have 100 left. If you want to help me out, Tara, with
I would
colors
love to. Sure. You want to start here with the taupe?
With taupe. And this is what Tara calls her classic. It involves old world and floral lace together.
Yeah, absolutely. And what's nice here is you can try a different color if you've never tried it before. Love the taupe. Look at the confetti, David. Bound in that beautiful lilac color, pops of yellow. Also works perfectly with your greens and your blues. Love the red. We know that the foodies absolutely love that beautiful kitchen red, so that's beautiful. Next door to that's the yellow. We brought that back in honor of our 20th anniversary.
But fewer than 100 left.
Whew, don't wait on that guy. Then next door we have, of course, our black. So if you have stainless steel, if you want to pop that on your countertop, love that. And it has that beautiful waffle weave print behind it. That helps in the absorbency. Next door is your green. This is the color that started it all. At one point, there was only one color in Temp-tations. Now at any point, there could be 25. And next door to that is going to be that beautiful blue. That's like a royal cobalt blue. And then I have to tell you, I am so in love with our damask. We're doing it in more and more of our pieces. So stay tuned for that. We have it in our oven gloves and some of our drying racks. But let's talk about other uses,
Tara,
David.
right before you go there?
Sure.
We have the gray.
Oh, and the gray, sorry.
And this gray, and the reason I want to make sure I call it out, it's very popular. And I would imagine anyone that has black or stainless steel appliances, this one's perfect.
That would be the go-to.
Would you hand me that yellow?
Of course.
Grab the yellow behind you?
Yeah, of course.
Because it's gone.
All right.
If you'll grab the little Gibson stand there, too.
Oh, look at this. I love it.
Look at that.
Am I hired? Do I get the job?
Hired.
Yes.
You're hired.
Yes.
You're hired.
All right.
Although somehow I think this is vaguely familiar to you.
A little bit. It's kind of like riding a bike.
I know. Here we go. So let's remind everybody that this can be used for so much more than just a drying rack.
Yeah, and this is one of the things that I love. I know Tina is here today, and we have our KitchenAid stand mixer. I like to protect my countertop. I like to be able to move it around, and I can do that by dragging this back and forth. So again, not only does it protect my countertop, but it also helps me when I need to move that as well. Down in front there is, of course, the reason why your fine china, your glasses, all of the different things that you want to actually have out. This rack is also available. You can check that out. And then, David, I also love that we put it under our Keurig. So now we have like our little Keurig station, our little barista area. If I spill on there, no worries. These go right in your washing machine and right in your dryer when you want to dry them.
Now, you mentioned you want to protect your countertop because this KitchenAid stand mixer, many of them run almost 40 pounds.
Okay.
Right? Mm-hmm. What we also don't want, if I've got a very thick cookie dough in there, I don't want him dancing across my countertop.
Great call.
This is going to keep this from dancing across the countertop. We've all had something heavier, even in our heavy KitchenAid stand mixers, and they tend to move a little over the kitchen counter. This is going to really help with all of that. But I love this. Look how much we got here.
Yeah.
Just this morning. Why this morning? I don't know. But I was washing out some wine glasses.
Okay.
And looking for a plate, and I have a mat similar to this one, but much smaller. I'm going to have to upgrade to this one. This is great because now you can put all of your dishes on here. Here's that 2-quart bakery out off the top of the show, drying beautifully. And Tara thinks of everything because not only is she the president and CEO, she's also the designer. She scored these. Now, they're not perforated where they tear apart. They just fold nicely. Now, that means I can fold the large one like this, the small one like this, and then if I need to store them, Tara,
that's right.
pop them right into a drawer.
Right, in the drawer under your sink, wherever you're gonna need them. And these aren't just meant for your kitchen, right? I actually have these in my powder room, also in my bathroom. I put my makeup brushes and things down inside them, which makes it super easy and organized. And then when I wanna clean it, the best part is you can throw it right into the washing machine and tumble dry low. These, like I said, are perfect for under all of your appliances, and they're also great for your drying mats. Super absorbent, that microfiber, nice cushy detail there, and bound. They're so well made, and everyone who has them absolutely loves them.
Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're very, very excited to have these in our show today. $19.98. Your 5-pay goes away at end of day today. Let's go through our color choices, and I'll start with this one. This is the gray, and gray has been very popular. Remember, this is the combination of Old World and Floral Lace. Tara calls these classic. So don't miss out on this. Now, over close to you.
Yeah. I have the taupe. So super neutral if you're thinking about gifting this, maybe a housewarming gift. What a great way to tuck this in with maybe a bottle of wine or something. Confetti has all of your colors in that beautiful white background. So again, I love that each one takes on its own personality. There's your red. That is your true kitchen red with the pops of yellow that you see there. Next door to that is going to be our black. That's always a classic color for us. Again, one where you have stainless steel appliances. You can coordinate back green. Where it all started, the blue, if you have that European style kitchen, that's going to be absolutely beautiful. And then I have to say, hands down, my favorite is the damask, because I love that if you have kind of that farmhouse look, if you decorate in your grays and your whites, look how beautiful that would be.
Oh, that's not good, is it?
I love
was
that.
Thinking we were gonna. There we go. Now we're out of the way. It's live TV, kids. So let me just grab this gray damask.
Yeah, sure.
Here we go. Here's the gray damask. Pretty.
So pretty.
So nice. And also nice if you have stainless steel appliances. 1,800 of these have been sold. Tara, thank you so much for being here.
Wonderful. It's great to be here.
So much fun. Nice to see you.
Okay.
All right, this is K51221. Let's check in with Mary, who's got some updates on Faroe Island salmon.